Well, the cold has many people turning up their heaters and finding that they don't work like they used to. HVAC companies like Golden Rule are inundated with calls right now. Broken furnaces, boilers, frozen pipes, and more. Technicians want to remind people to remember the old standby tricks, like running that thin stream of water overnight to keep the pipes from freezing, and remembering not to overload your outlets with space heaters. Also, keep those furnace filters fresh by changing them each month during the winter. As for home temperatures, it's really a matter of preference, but there is a rule of thumb to go by.
We never want to see anybody keep that temperature below 55 degrees. Basically what can happen is the heat exchanger, when it warms up with a colder temperature in the house, it can start to sweat and cause some rusting on that as well. So really, there's no set temperature that you should keep it set at. It's really your comfort.
And to be proactive to avoid future damages, technicians say you can schedule yearly checks and routine maintenance to make sure that all of your systems are functional when you need them.